We're here at the Hilton Garden Inn here in Tallahassee, Florida, right off Interstate 10. This coat button sized, based on what you're looking at. It's a ThyssenKrupp mod, so you may be thinking, oh, the impulse or something like that, but wait till you see what we have inside. That's right. This was a Mowrey, but I'm modded by ThyssenKrupp. It is definitely very weird. I think this is the first time I've ever seen a local-ish elevator company get modded by ThyssenKrupp. By a bigger company, you know. Anyway, let's go to 4. Here are 4. This is definitely one of the weirdest mods I've ever seen from ThyssenKrupp. This is the rear door here. I honestly don't know why they have stainless steel on this side. Here we are. These are buttons here. ThyssenKrupp Mad BS. Classic. Capacity 2,500. You know, in Tallahassee when it's Governor Ron DeSantis, the best of the best. Governors in Florida. Check out this. See that lantern one more time. That's pretty neat. And very weird too. I think it's the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.